Guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. You can see this is a Dell laptop. This 3534 model laptop, and see is problem when you move display light is going and come. So I think this problem in the display cable. Here display is no problem. Little bit moving is display blanking like this. So how can I fix this? So guys, I have to open display and I change the display is also same. So now I will change the cable or open the fixed cable here something. Guys, see, I have to open the display and check. Here is a new display. Stuckle. Guys, see, I have to change the display and the display cable. This is the another laptop and I put the board, and see now it's working, no have any problem. So that this device had problem with this display cable. It was fixed before, I think. So now I will open and check what is the problem.